Welcome to my channel, SteveO Window Cleaner. The best window cleaning channel around. The best. Oh yeah. Let me tell you about it. Today, we're cleaning the usual suspects. What is the usual suspects? The usual suspects are the storefronts that you do bi-weekly, or you do weekly, or you do every 4 weeks. That's your usual suspects. And tomorrow, well, in less than 24 hours, Alex and I leave to Florida. We're going to go to Disney World and visit her grandpa. So I'm looking forward to that. So, crazy 24 hours. I'm going to make this video, edit this video, and get it all out to you. Probably release it Saturday or something like that. So I don't know why I told you that, because you really don't need to know that. That's not important to your life. But let's get going.
I'm a window cleaner, working on my rounds all day. Nothing could be finer. If the weather's good, I make it pay. With my bucket full of water, I just tap my window, let the put a shine on each and every window. Hey, nothing could be finer. I'm a window cleaner, merrily I trot from house to house, hoisting up my ladder. Yeah, the work is hard, but I don't know no grass. With my bucket full of water, I just tap my window, let the put a shine on each and every window. Hey, hey, nothing could be finer. Snow may come or go, but I'll never stray. When I clean those windows bright, makes my day, yeah, yeah. I'm a window cleaner, working on my rounds all day. Nothing could be finer. If the weather's good, I make it pay. With my bucket full of water, I just tap my window, let it put a shine on each and every window. Hey, hey, nothing could be finer. Rain or snow may come or go, but I'll never stray. When I clean those windows bright, makes my day, yeah, yeah. I'm a window cleaner, working on my rounds all day. Nothing could be finer. If the weather's good, I'll make it pay. With my bucket full of water, I just tap my window, let it put a shine on each and every window. Hey, hey, nothing could be finer. Hey, hey, nothing could be finer. Hey, hey, nothing could be. I'm a window cleaner. I'm a window cleaner.
This is how stupid I look all day when I film these videos. Just stupid. People look at me. What are you doing?